Okay, let's do a little site breakdown. You have Pickle and Pumpkin here. This is their e-commerce website. Let's do it. First things first, this top bar is pretty good. Free shipping, free returns. That's good to know. What else we got? 10% off your first order. That's also good to know. Oh, it pops the pop-up. That's nice. People should do this more often. People do not like pop-ups on upon visit. They like either very delayed pop-ups, like 30 seconds or more, delayed before it appears, or on-demand pop-ups. This is the way to go. I want to see more of this from other companies, not you. This is great. This is a good decision. So the headline: buttery soft organic essentials for little loves. So I'm assuming baby clothes are really soft and comfortable. Okay, I understand what that is. That's fair. Why do I want this though? Mama owned and operated. Okay, organic. So why do I care about this? Organic. I mean, yeah, everyone likes organic stuff, but if you can tell me why organic is better, then we'll be in a great spot. But I don't know. Soft as a cloud. I don't know if I believe you. I'm gonna have to see it myself or try it myself. Meticulous craftsmanship. Like everyone claims this, I don't know if this is how useful this is. This is useless. Meticulous craftsmanship. Okay, I'll look at it and see if I can corroborate that. But fair. Clothing, blankets, and sheets. So you guys have a lot of products in the same family fabric, which means maybe it actually is soft. Who knows? Okay, this is a bit more trustworthy than a company that makes like baby clothes and then shoes. It's like they're all very related. Next thing, you have most loved products. This is a nice little headline. That's good. That's cute. Buttery soft, snug fitting sheets. Okay, so we have sheet set. They're all sheets. Um, are the baby clothes included, or is it just a sheet set? I'm assuming just a sheet set. You have bundles now. Okay, images of the bundles of the sheets again. The 1,000 reviews, very impressive. I am. Is it 1,000 plus 5-star reviews? If so, I don't know if that's believable. Do I trust that? Are they paid? Are they authentic reviews? I don't know. Are these actual children, or are these like stock photos? I also don't know. Um, like, why would customers take photos of their own kids in these reviews and put them up there? I don't. People are considering all these things. I don't know if that's for real. So, continuing, why organic? This would have been more useful further up the page because if I was on the fence, I probably wouldn't get this far. Um, Maybe it's sensitive absorbs more than it touches. This is a very good uh, jumping off point for an ad campaign. A baby's skin absorbs more of everything it touches. That is something that most people might not have known, but even if those who do know that, it might not be at the forefront of your mind when buying baby clothes. So it's good to lead with this. This is the lead. Don't bury this. This deserves to be a lot more front and center, either on the site or on your ads or whatever else. And so I would search for GOTS certified cotton. It's free of the yuck. Okay, that's good. What does the learn more page tell me? It's a paragraph. I'm not reading that. Okay, maybe I'll read this. Mm, that's nice. I'm not reading like customers are not reading this until maybe they are on their third purchase. Who we partner with, they're not reading this. Why we give back? Nope, I'm not reading that. Okay. Um, why organic? Okay. Our mission, your impact. So as a marketer, I'm like, okay, so you're using people in India to and marking these things up. The average person might not think that, so you should be okay. But your buyers are not stupid. They can tell a lot of these things. Nice little Instagram. It's cute. 10% off your next order. Also quite nice. And on down here you have your judge me verified reviews. Okay, so maybe I can believe your 1,000 plus 5-star reviews. That's pretty nice. Yeah, 1,078. Impressive. All right, so let's get into the product page. What we got? Let's see. Clothing. 2 reviews on the clothing. Where are the reviews at? They're probably all on one main product. Let's take a look. What are your most loved products? Bed sheets. Let's take a look at this one. Pink floral, cute. All right, $13, which says over 4 months or 4 times. $52 for a mini crib sheet set. Not the worst. Add to baby list. That's funny. Nice little copy thing there. What else we got here? Free easy returns. Love the look promise. Durable breathable cotton. Okay, nice. All right, I can believe that. It looks pretty cute. Um, Details that matter. Pure organic cotton, GOTS certified. Okay. Um, I know what this is, but I'm not getting enough reasons why I should buy this. Um, Good for your baby. Okay, now we're getting the reason. Now we're getting the reasons. Good for your baby. Strongest start. Okay. Good for the planet. Good for the farmer. I feel like you need to pick one of these and run with it because two lines of the three of these is not really compelling. It's like okay, it's nice, but it's not that compelling. What I would do here is I would lead with again. Your baby absorbs far more than a regular than an adult from everything it touches. So you need to make sure that your baby has the best materials because whatever it has, its body will absorb it. So what kind of pesticides, what kind of things do these babies absorb from lower quality materials, and what can they do? What are the problems? So yeah, if you pick just one of these and you really expand on that, the good for your baby one is the obvious choice because people are not gonna really buy baby clothes for the planet. That's an added benefit. But you want to really expand on the good for the baby content. Put that on your site and revolve your copywriting around some of that. If you have actual science that can back this, but that's your why. Pick a good why, and you'll be fine. So what I'm saying is the issue here is your CAC is probably where it is because your copywriting is like bare bones. It's like the minimum, which is fine. It works, but you can do a lot better than this because like there's a lot there's a lot more appeal in this product beyond just it'll look nice for your kids and beyond it's soft. There's a lot more, and you kind of hint to that, you kind of allude to that, but you don't really grasp it, and I think that's the main issue here holding you back. But this is pretty good so far. People are only really going to be are going to hit the homepage, maybe your collections page, and maybe one or two PDPs. So looking at how these PDPs are built, I can tell you how it'll go. With these two long sleeve bodysuits, oops, I accidentally clicked on the image. These long sleeve bodysuits, they're not getting many sales. They only have 2 reviews, but is it really like, are you marketing this to your full potential? And you're not. Details that matter. Bullet points are good here, but below that, this is the area you really want to focus on, and you have been. It's just that you've been including like minuscule amounts of information, like one sentence per value prop, and you can do a lot better than that. So that's my main feedback. You did a great job on the top bar, great job on the on-demand pop-up. That's something I think a lot more stores should be doing. You have a nice chat box here, which is also great, but just work on your PDPs, work on the information you give here, and the story you tell, because there are so many you can make from this, so many true stories you can make from this and from your about page. So figure out the facts that support your product and use them. Build a story and make your PDPs and even your homepage very appealing. You can even make landing pages off those and advertorials, right? You can make a lot that are gonna supercharge your site and get your sales very, 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 very high. So it should be where you're at. But good job so far.